Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the font size bigger on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Google Pixel or a Samsung Galaxy device or maybe something else running Android, I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and select the settings button. It should be in a little gear icon in a circle. Select that and then go down and scroll down to display and touch and select that tile. And now that we are here, go underneath appearance and select display size and text. And you can adjust the font size and the display size based on your preference right down here, dragging to the right or the left. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.